morning, everybody. Guess what? It is time for the coupons.com. They added a bunch of new coupons and a lot of them reset, so I'm here to show you guys what we got. So we have $1.50 off of 2. That reset. This is a great coupon. $3 off of CoverGirl. That reset. They just added that yesterday. The $3 off of 5 Kellogg's reset. A lot of these reset, but they just added the $3 off of Centrum. I can't remember if that was on there or not, but they added that. I already added that. Sorry, this is being a little shaky. I'm left-handed, so I'm trying to do this with one hand. They got the $2 off of Scrubbing Bubbles off of 2. That's a great coupon. $2 off of Sweet Tarts. The $3 Bic coupon reset, so I really like that coupon. You got 75 cents off of Sprees or Nerds, Burt's Bees, buy one get one free Benefil, Dove, more Sprees and Nerds. Here they added 75 cents off of Kleenex, 75 cents off of the Viva paper towels. They also added 75 cents off of Scott's, $2.50 off of Bordeaux's butt paste, and then they have $1.50 off the butt paste, $5 off Food Saver. They have a 75 cent off coupon off Cottonelle, 75 cents off of Scott paper towels. There's just so much, you guys, so many new coupons. $2 off of Tenya, $1 off of Slider bags. We got $1 off of Reynolds Wrap liners. My hand's getting tired. Let's see. $1.50 off of Neutrogena, 50 cents off of Windex, $1 off of Dole, 75 cents off of 3. Here we got those Canadian Farm coupons, 75 cents off of, ooh, that's a kind of a decent coupon. So I'm just adding some stuff as we go. We got $1.50 off Dermacare, $1 off of Skippy, Tostinos, $5 off of Clara, $2 off of Huggies, and the $3 one just reset. Poise, Scrubbing Bubbles, Playtex, Crunchmaster, that's a great coupon. You guys will have to definitely check out. My thing is still loading. More than $1 off of that. This is a good coupon. It's a $2 off CVS Brookside pouch. So I don't know if it says coupon or if it says manufacturer on it, but there's that. Sorry, I'm just not talking really loud because my whole family is still sleeping. I'm just scrolling down to see what other deals they have for you guys. Let's see, I'm almost down to the end. And then the Aveeno did not reset, which is okay, and then the Airwick did not reset. But those are coupons to print. I hope you guys print them before they're gone, and I'll see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.